IMPO. Import pricing closure. This pricing closure. Right on. Schema group purchase organization. Schema group under pricing closure. So this is assigned to purchase organizations 4478, 5578, etc. It will assign to vendor master. Now, while creating PO to these vendors with this purchase organization, this pricing closure will determine. But same IN01 assigned to each purchase organization with that purchase organization PO creating. But in vendor master, that purchase organization created a vendor, but in that vendor master, schema group OV, then what pricing closure you want? Suppose same pricing closure, then for both the foreign vendors and domestic vendors, same pricing closure you want, because in that pricing closure only you maintain custom duty condition types also. Then assign schema group something, any 2-digit code in all vendor masters, domestic vendor or foreign vendor, whatever it may be. Save. Back to pop-up. Click determine schema for stock transport orders. We already discussed it. New entry. Schema group document type. Sorry, schema group purchase is one column. Schema group purchase organization one column. Document type one column. Supply plant one column. Pricing procedure one column. So purchase order STO, stock transport order, the ME21 creating with the document type UB and creating PO with one receiving plant purchase organization. Assume that purchase organization 4478, but to that purchase organization, schema group IN01 assigned, and in that PO header level, supply plan is 4479. Then what pricing closure? STO pricing closure will customize separately, where you don't maintain gross price subcharge condition types, only condition type P101. Then you enter the pricing closure RM 230. Stock transport order pricing closure. Schema group purchase organization one column. Document type, supply plant, pricing closure. IN01 UB 4479 RM 230. But this purchase organization, this schema group assigns to which purchase organization, that purchase organization creating STO with this document type to many plants, but for every supplying plant, same pricing closure only. Then no need to repeat same schema group IN01 UB again for every supplying plant. Instead of that, with the blank you can maintain. That is for all. Maintain blank means for all supplying plants. You write one more IN01 UB supplying plant blank RM220. But any schema group purchase organization creating PO with document type UB for any supplying plant, same pricing closure you want. Then instead of maintaining for every schema group, you can maintain just blank UB supplying plant this pricing closure. Back to AG. Back to pop-up. See, in today's beginning class, we define here schema group with new entry, IN, any 2-digit code. It assigns to vendor master. Then PO creating to the schema group vendor, what pricing closure you want, you can link the pricing closure. And again, you created here schema group or purchase organization, the new entry. So for which group of purchase organization POs you want same calculation schema, same pricing procedure. Then you create one schema group for all the group of purchase organizations. Suppose IN01 is created here. Supplementary schema group IN01. And for foreign vendors, maybe US01 something. Later, this will assign to group of purchase organizations. We're here. Assign schema group to purchase organization. So here, for which purchase organizations you want same pricing procedure, that is same calculation schema. For that group of purchase organizations, first assign same schema group. For purchase organization 4478 IN01, for purchase 5558 IN01, etc. Save it. That is over. Again, define schema determinations. Calculation schema pricing procedure determination, where determination of calculation schema for standard purchase order means PO to vendor with whatever item category, standard or service or etc. But PO to vendor. Then what determine calculation schema for POs. So in beginning class we maintain here schema group IN01 assigns to which purchase organization. That purchase organization creates PO. Schema group IN assign in which vendor master PO creating to that vendors. Then what pricing procedure you want to determine. But PO creating to foreign vendors, same purchase organization creating PO not to domestic Indian vendor to foreign vendor. Then I want a different pricing procedure. Then again IN01, this will assign to Indian vendors. It will assign in the foreign vendors, vendor master. Then assign domestic pricing procedure, domestic vendors price calculation different, and PO creating to foreign vendors price calculation different. Then assign different pricing procedure. In the same pricing procedure only you have the custom duty condition type calculation and other condition type calculations, all import duty condition types maintained. Then it is not required. Later you observe this RMIMPO existing pricing procedure settings. Save it. Again, STO is over. Just now. Next. Click determine calculation schema for determination of market price. Determine calculation schema for determination of market price. So market price will, what is market price in ME49? Price comparison, quotation price comparison. You can choose for any quotation line item, which quotation price is best price, you can save as a market price in ME47. At that time, what pricing project has to determine to save market price in one condition type. Then 4478 market price schema. In this pricing procedure, only one condition type will be maintained, MKPO market price condition type. Okay, you can choose here. You can see name /08 popular. In this pricing procedure, only MP01 condition type, that's it. So in ME49, compare the quotations and in that select for any material, for any quotation material, select any quotation price, lowest price, which quotation price is lowest price, select and click save button. Then ME49 price comparison. You will enter some Okay. So that collect number is given in how many RFQs? Now for this material, in all this quotation price rank 1 vendor. This quotation rank 1 means best price. Then for this material number, this price will save as market price. Then this amount, this purchase organization assigns to which pricing procedure for market price. Okay. In that pricing procedure, what condition type? MP01. Then it will store amount in the MP01 condition type. You see M/06. It is a basic price. Per quantity, basic price means that amount 100 rupees is lowest price, for example. Then it will store for that material number that condition type as basic price per piece wise or per carton, whatever you measure. Later, while creating PO for that material, then for that material in MP01 condition type, what price is maintained, it will compare with that price, then it will give score to that vendor, market price, behavior wise, and vendor evaluation process. Back to MC. But you assign account keys for rebate condition types, for freight condition type in accrual column account keys. You can customize your own account keys here. Define transaction class event keys. You can create account keys here. Okay. You remember FR1, FR2. You can customize also. New entry. Test scenario. Create vendor master. With above purchase organization. From vendor. India. But here schema group. Vendor is IN. And assign schema group vendor as IN. And assign schema group vendor as IN. If you are creating in MK01, in purchasing data screen will come. You are creating business partner for vendor in BPT code with the role FLVN01. Then in purchasing button, if you click it, at purchase organization number, purchase organization, you have to enter in purchase organization. In purchasing data tab, you will assign the schema group vendor. I think for account group 001 number ranges are next. create condition records. For condition types. Caustics, purchasing, mass data, conditions, other, create. Decode MEK1. In S4 just parallelly in S4 just that theory of condition record. It takes time. Meanwhile, MEK1. Now in PO gross price I want to determine automatically. Then for which condition type you want to determine prices automatically, then you assign access sequence to that condition type. For that condition type only, you can create condition records for determining condition types automatically to PO with amounts. Now you are creating condition record here. For which condition type access sequence assigned in condition type customization, that condition types only will come in the drop down here. You can see here FRA1, FRB1, those are not coming because for that condition types access sequence not assigned. PB00 coming, but PBXX is not coming. It is some PBXKK. PBXX manual gross price we maintain, but for that PBXX condition type, access sequence not assigned. That's why it is not coming here. But in our pricing procedure, 000 determines to PO. Then in that pricing procedure 000 automatic gross price condition type you maintain as Z010, I think. Now for that Z010 condition type, you maintain the condition record. Right on. Condition type Z010. In standard SAP PV00. Z010 in bracket automatic gross price condition type. Either you click enter button or key combination button. Click enter or key combination button. Now for this condition type, what condition tables, which access sequence assigned? In that access sequence, whichever condition tables you maintain, that condition tables are coming here. Condition table numbers not coming, but the condition table descriptions are coming. Remember, this is our new condition table assigned in the top. Right up. Then it displays next time. Then it displays this condition type, access sequence, all condition types. See, first table is maintained, just material number is something, then what amount. Okay. 4478. Suppose okay, for one cartoon, but again you maintain here. This is outline agreement means if you create contract, in contracts, central agreed contract is there. Plant wise, only one line item in the contract, material number, quantity. But plant, if you don't enter in ME 31K, then for that line item, again from menu bar, plant wise, you can maintain the prices. While creating PO with reference to that contract, at that time, this condition table will determine. Then in so and so contract document number, this is contract number, creates in ME 31K, and in that item number is 10, and for that item many plants are there, but for plant 4478, in that item number means in that item number what material number the system will take automatically, and what is the amount. So we'll discuss in contract topic. This is our new purchase ordination. You remember in the pricing procedure, for condition type Z010, you assign one access sequence. When you are creating condition record for Z010 condition type, access sequence. But access sequence also same naming conversion used Z010. But again you see that access sequence, Z010, in that access sequence, Z010 in access number 5, this table, but the table description something. In access number 10, this table. In access number 13, this table number, like that. Now, in some access number, we assigned our own condition table, 775. Okay. Okay. Now, the table is this. Right on. Next time, select our new condition table. And click enter. Right on. Purchase ordinance. While creating condition table, which field you add as last field from the field catalog, that field will come in the item level. Remaining fields will come in header level. But with the same fields already condition table is there, but sometimes what happen, I want vendor field in the below, remaining all upper. Then create one new condition table, add one by one field in the field catalog, but add vendor field is last field in the condition table creation. Then vendor column will come here, remaining fields will come here. Then purchase organization 4478 creating PO, and in PO item row plant is 4478, and material number something, but info type suppose is come in header level, then info type you select as standard info type, means in item row, standard item category. Then vendor field will come below. Then the purchase organization for the plant, this material in standard process, from vendor X, what gross price, that vendor Y, what gross price will give, and vendor Z, what gross price will give. I want to maintain a record, but I don't have any existing condition table. Okay, in that way, though one condition table is there, but in that condition table, material is coming below, vendor is coming above, then I can't create. I have to create for every vendor separate. Instead of that, in a single vendor condition record, one material supplying for plant by one purchase organization in standard process. But how many vendors will supply? I'll ask all vendors their price, gross price. Then in one screen, I want to maintain purchase organization is 4478, plant is this, material number is this. On info category, if I take in the header, as info category standard, there is item category, but vendor field, if I add in the table in the last field, then vendor field will come here. Then vendor X, what is the Z01 condition type? That is automatic gross price. Vendor X, 100 rupees. Vendor Y, if it is vendor column, vendor Y, what price? In that case, we create the new table. Info category, standard, amount, 100 rupees. It will take vendor master order currency. Right on purchase organization, 4478. Plant, 4478. Material number X. Material number 70308. Vendor, just now vendor created that vendor. Below info category 1 column, amount 1 column, valid from valid to. This exclusive indicator X is coming from condition type customization. Still you can remove also. Right, 4478, 4478 X, vendor number. Info type below, standard. Amount 100 rupees. You write 100 INR per slash. You write each. I mistakenly taken. Okay, no problem. X. But same material, same vendor, for same plant, same purchase organization. In consignment process, I can maintain again different price. Or in subcontracting process, maybe 10 rupees because he's producing with my raw materials only. Then in subcontracting process, we can enter different price also. Next time, save. Back. Again, select same condition type. Get 010 and click key combination button. Suppose next time I am entering in another table. Suppose info record for order unit. Select another table and maintain gross price amount 90, say 110 rupees. So same vendor, but here vendor material purchase organization info category coming, but it is coming here plant and order unit. 4478 plant. Order unit is order unit means in the info record, variable order unit is active. Then only this record will identify. This is info record creates with variable order unit active. Then in that info record, what order unit is there? With that order unit, what price is there? This price will determine to PO. Okay. Enough? Next step. Create PO. ME 21N. Vendor number. Subordination. Next. Item data on column. Item data underline. Below. Item number. Metal number. PO quantity, net price, plant. So quantity, suppose 10. Net price blank. Plant. Let's enter 2 line items. 308, 309. Maybe 10 piece. Right on. Next. Item 10, item 20, material number X, material number Y. In the condition record what material number there, that material number. But in some line item, different material number entered. 10, 10. Don't enter net price blank. Next. Go to item condition tab. And click analysis button. And observe determine pricing procedure. Triple zero. Which is assigned to purchase organization in bracket 4478. Purchase organization schema group IN01. And vendor master schema group IN combination. Now in this pricing procedure, whatever condition types are there, all condition types coming. For which condition type access sequence you assign, you can see arrow mark left side. Access sequence not assigned, no arrow mark will come. But in this pricing procedure, access sequence can determine condition type amounts automatically from condition records which are maintained in the tables. So for Z010 condition type, access number, condition type Z010, to the condition type access sequence also Z010. This is bracket is access sequence. But in that access sequence, in access number 5, this condition table. In access number 10, this condition table. In access number 13, this table. 15, this table. 18, our new table, etc. coming. So for condition type Z010, access sequence also Z010 assigned. But in that access sequence Z010, in access number 5, condition table, but description it appears. Access number 10, this condition table, that is description like that. Now, it will search from starting access number for the condition type Z010. In the condition table, condition record is maintained. Then from that condition table, that condition record will determine. You remember, in access number 5, that is in table number 118, condition record maintained. Material number is 3008. Then we maintain, in this access number we maintain 90 rupees. But though 90 rupees maintained, but it is not executed. Requirement 043 not fulfilled. It means in access sequence, customization, when from this condition table, condition record has to access means you given some routine. This routine 43. In that routine 43, so when this routine number 43 will fulfill means this requirement is met if the item category for the item has the pricing indicator A, that is pricing for empties. MT's processing was developed in the R3 retail solution. This supports, for example, manufacturers who sell beer and need to manage the beer cartons that are used to ship the beer. Okay. This equation should be assigned to the condition types in the pricing procedure that are relevant for this process. So, condition type, it is Esperna screen. I am closing Esperna. Somewhere one field drop down. I think this checkbox is expecting. In MEK2, we maintained here. This material number is there, 90 INR. Somewhere A will be there. Then only it will fulfill. Item category is saying, no?